There's one thermostat setting that quietly ruins older HVAC systems. Most homeowners don't even know it exists. You're probably thinking, isn't a thermostat just controlling temperature? The real problem is the fan setting. Most thermostats have two modes, auto and on. When the fan is set to on, it runs constantly, which sounds harmless, but it forces the system to circulate air nonstop. If your system has a single-speed motor, that increases the wear on the blower motor. I see this setting turned on in homes around Castle Rock all the time, and the homeowners had no idea it was happening. The weird part is, most thermostats get switched to this mode accidentally.